When I was in the first grade, these sisters have taught me all the way through grade school and high school. I have sisters that are relatives, so I basically was born into the Sisters of St. Mary of Oregon through the teaching and the mentoring and the friendships that I developed over the years through grade school, high school. Family reunions was the models of something that I wanted to be a part of. Well, I probably was the least likely in my graduating high school class to have come into a religious community. So I think I shocked both of my parents. Once they heard of what my desire was, they fully supported what the choice was that I was making. And it was a good choice. Could not have done this without family support, the wider community of relatives. I have had the privilege of working on campus, whether it be in the gardens, taking care of the roses, out on actually some of the ball fields in earlier years. But the privilege of being able to go out of doors and to work, that's where my passion was and still is. I spent some time at the high school helping out with the cold lunches, and that was a real rewarding time for me, working with the gals that were doing the lunch program, spending time with the teachers as they come in for coffee breaks, and then to be around middle school kids when they're looking for pizza. They don't seem to notice any adults. They're hungry, but to be a part of that education piece was nice. I often would think of our campus as the holy ground of this area, and I think it was because of the sacredness with which the sisters have brought to this area. Some of the good memories with the sisters were kitchen work when I was a novice, candle making. We renovated the convent a number of years ago, and I was able to do some refinishing of furniture. I did a lot of moving of things from one end of the house to the other. That was an exciting time. We took some older parts of the building and kind of redid them so we could make the building more useful to what it is today. Lately, it's been the prayer time that we've spent together. The energy that I've been able to get from the group of sisters that hold common faith traditions and working toward the gospel values, it is just an amazing thing to do. Prayer life that we have is so wonderful, and over the years it grows deeper and deeper. It's a very, very, very good life. A difficult life at times, but it's a good life. And I would want to say to any young person that if they wanted to look for a very rewarding countercultural life, this is one of them.